Right then, so here we have a new product in the Vizi range series. This is our Vizi BSW 300. It's a 300 watt LED moving head. It has 2 gobo wheels, 2 colour wheels, and 2 prisms, 1 linear 6 facet and 1 circular 6 facet as well. It's PowerCon linking in and out, full DMX control obviously in and out as well. It's a beam, a spot and a wash in one. So it will go from a 1 degree out to a 23 degree beam. Full zoomable capabilities as well as a motorized focus as well. This will be on the market very soon as well.